Hi guys, this is Joe from Techilobang. Welcome back to this channel. See what I got over here is something from Huawei. So let's check out together what Huawei has sent over. Okay guys, this is the review set. So it's a brand new one. I want to open it out and let you see what I have. And this is the one. So I requested for this. It is using a very basic strap because I wanted to jog with it, and I guess the leather strap will not be a good match for me, and I wanted a bigger one, which is the 46mm. That's why I chose this version, whereby it has a plastic strap and 46mm face. Let me open it out. So there it is, the Huawei Watch GT 3. Let me take out the watch. This is the Huawei 3. This is the Huawei GT 3. So you can see that there's a lot of similarity with them. Let's continue to see what we have in this box. Let's open up what is inside. So this is the charging port, or the wireless charging port here. As you can see, this is very similar to the Huawei Watch 3. I guess from some version onwards, Huawei decided just to have this kind of connection whereby you cannot take out the cable. So everything is like in one package, and documentation, which I'm not going to touch, and that's it. It's a very simple watch unboxing. Okay, maybe before I turn on, let's explore together how it looks like up close. As usual, I like the design of the Huawei watch. It is really very well done, nicely done. It has a dial, I guess a common feature now for Huawei watch. And behind there is all the sensors over here. And these are the sensors. And over here is, I believe it's stated 22 meter. It might be a 22mm strap, and of course with the usual quick release, whereby you can just take it out like this, and then to put it back, you just need to put it back easily. Very convenient if you want to change the strap to something else. As mentioned, Huawei let me choose a few models. I chose this because I think this is the most suitable for me in terms of my lifestyle. And amongst the 4 models, I guess this is the cheapest one. Recently, Huawei has also shown the lab that they have in China, and in this lab they have all sorts of equipments and test facilities to test out all the sensors and the reliability of the sensors. So this greatly enhance the quality and also the confidence in consumers when it comes to Huawei watch. Yeah, let's turn it on. I've forgotten which button to do. So this is my first time taking a look at this. So as you know, it will be running on Huawei Harmony OS right now. So as you can see, it automatically detects the Huawei Watch GT 3. So what I can do is just to connect, since I have the app ready. Okay, let me pair it. Yes, of course I would like it to. Yes, everything is a yes. Okay, finish. Let me go to the health app. That's where you can see the new watch. over here. Yes, as you can see, there is one new watch connected. So this is the HUAWEI GT3 connected, and yeah, you have the usual watch face. Is the one. Yeah, so that's it. It's very simple. If you are having a Huawei phone, everything can be connected easily. Okay, let me just go through very quickly. As you can see, recently Huawei already added this feature, whereby you can just scroll. And I guess this is the new setup, so there might be a software update, which I might be missing over here. Let me check. Update available, touch to update. So maybe I go to my phone first, because I always like to see what's the update about.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, let me do a quick comparison among these three Huawei watches. This is the Huawei Watch GT2, this is the Huawei Watch 3, and this is the Huawei Watch GT3. So I guess the difference is that for the Watch 3, it has a eSIM, and of course it's the most expensive among all the watches over here. And I also think that it's not a apple to apple comparison, because Watch 3 is actually built differently from the GT2 and GT3. So I'll eliminate this in this review. In terms of the outlook, they are pretty similar. In fact, I should say that they are like 90% same. Even the strap, the buckle, everything, they look exactly the same. One of the biggest difference, of course, if you look at the side, let me show you. If you look at this, you realize that on the Watch GT3, it is a dial. This is a dial. And on this Watch 2, it is a button. Okay, it is a button. And on the bottom is looks like another similar button over here, but on the GT3, it is a very small little button over here. I hope you can see it. And on the back itself, let me turn to the back. So more changes at the back. So I believe one of the biggest changes is the Watch GT3 actually incorporated wireless charging to it, and GT2 is not. It has to use the ports provided, and then yeah, there's no wireless charging, so you can do that. And on the sensor itself, based on the information, it says that it has been enhanced. You can see that they are really very similar. So I don't think that Huawei changed a lot in terms of the strap or the overall look or design. You can see that both of them has the similar look. So as you can see, for this Watch 3, it has this dial, which is, in my opinion, quite convenient, because the icon is so small. You can actually zoom in and shift around, and you can select whichever icon. And it has the all-day SPO. This is the SPO, all-day SPO, which is to monitor your oxygen in your blood. So how it monitors, of course, is by some sensor. And unfortunately, I don't think this has the ECG function. It has only the heart rate monitor. And similar to the Watch 3, it has the temperature monitor. So my opinion is it is not interesting at all, because the sensor is always sensing that I have a temperature of 35. I don't think I have a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. It should be higher, but unfortunately, yeah, it always shows that it is that low. Okay, so there's one thing that I wanted to try. This is the drain. So I believe this drain is like the Apple Watch kind of drain, whereby it try to expel the water from some speaker or for some holes on the watch itself. So it has a loud noise coming up from it, and then it I believe try to shake out or expel out the water by vibration, and then you're supposed to shake it just to remove any droplets from it. For workout, let me see. You have outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool swim, open water swim, jump rope, mountain hike, trail run, skiing, snowboarding, cross country skiing, triathlon, elliptical, rower, other custom and work setting. And this, I believe, you can use it to control your camera on your phone. So you can see that my phone is now being controlled by this, okay, by this shutter. So yeah, taking a picture of it. So that's how it works. Yeah, that's about it. I'll come back again if I have more information. Hi guys, okay, I'm going for a walk, and then I'm going to wear my GT3 with me, and then let's see how. Yeah. So one thing is that you have to choose the right exercise. Let me choose. Then you go to outdoor walk. Yeah, so you have to wait for the GPS to secure. Once it's done, you can see. See, I started. So this is how it looks like.
A few moments later.
Okay, I've just completed 5 kilometers of walk, and yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'll walk a little bit further up, and then maybe later I'll do a few kilometer run to let you see the results. So basically you can see that it has all the indicators of your heart rate, and also the distance that you walk, the timing that you walk, the pace that you walk, and you can actually adjust it according to your likings. Let me show you. For example, now I'm walking like 6,000 steps until today, which is a little bit low in my opinion. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, I've just ended the workout, so maybe let you see the results. This is the road that I have taken, and these are the statistics. And just to share with you that this information will be shared in your app, okay, in your app, so you can see more details in your app. Okay, just completed my short run, 5 kilometers at super slow pace. Yeah, let me stop the count. So yeah, 5.05 kilometer. In case you guys have been wondering, here is the result from the app. If you sync it properly, so you can see that it has changed to 5.09 kilometer. So let's take a look. Okay, again, these are the route. I live in the northeast area, so that's the way, that's the place I used to run. The pace, you see, as I mentioned, is very slow. And the chart. More important is the chart, because I feel that you can understand where is your fitness level based on the chart. And details wise, you can look at it. It's like the pace that you're running, the average heartbeat you are running with, and also the steps you have taken during the run. And below you can see the aerobic, the VO2 max, that means your oxygen usage, and also the recovery time to go for the next run again. Yeah, so that's it, quite useful if you want to monitor your conditions